Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has called upon Union Home Minister Amit Shah to reaffirm its commitment to the implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) during his upcoming visit to Manipur on April 14. Accusing the BJP government of exploiting the visit for political mileage, the MPCC urged Shah to re-announce his previous statements regarding the NRC. Speaking at a press conference held at Congress Bhavan today, K.H. Devabrata, the working president of MPCC, lambasted the BJP for allegedly peddling falsehoods and misinterpreting Congress's stance on the NRC issue. Devabrata clarified that while the Congress party supported the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2003, it offered suggestions regarding the humanitarian aspects of the NRC, which were misinterpreted by the BJP for political gain. Recalling Shah's announcement in 2019 regarding the nationwide implementation of the NRC, Devabrata highlighted the contradiction in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's subsequent statement wherein he denied any discussions on the NRC since his government came into power. This inconsistency, according to Devabrata, underscores the BJP's political opportunism and lack of sincerity on the issue. Devabrata further criticized Shah's planned visit to Manipur, noting that it comes more than 300 days after the Home Minister promised to return with a solution to the state's crisis during his last visit in June of the previous year. Expressing skepticism about the Home Minister's ability to deliver long-term solutions, Devabrata lamented the lack of progress since Shah's previous visit. The MPCC also denounced Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent assertion regarding the improvement of Manipur's situation through timely interventions by the state and central governments. Devabrata demanded transparency from the government, urging them to make public any documents supporting Modi's claims about the state's progress.